Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to check word count on Google Docs. So let's start the video. At first, open the documents and then click on the Tools menu from the top. Now from here, click on word count. A small window will appear showing the page's number, words and characters. If you want to keep the word count visible while you are typing, simply check the box Display word count while typing, then click OK. You will see the word count here and the characters and pages. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.